Okay guys, so we've talked about this forehand. The other video gives you a lot more kind of in-depth theory stuff and touches a little bit on the actual swing, but we're going to quickly go over the swing one more time here for our lesson one, and then I'm going to give you guys a drill that you can practice on your own, okay? So a couple things to remember: a little bit of a turn, a small backswing, and a little punch. That's really all you guys want to do, okay? The bigger that swing gets, the more power we try to add to our shot, the less consistency and the less control we're going to have, okay? So just keep it simple, right? You're here in ready position. It's turn, step, swing. Really, really basic stuff, okay? When you guys are practicing this, I just want you to toss balls out of your hand. I've got monster-sized hands, so maybe don't hold 3 at a time, maybe 1 or 2. But just drop the ball and hit it. It's going to be so much easier for you to control that than if you're hitting with somebody else, right? You'll get there, but this is a great way to just practice. Don't worry about a ball machine or a backboard or anything right there, or just yet. You guys are still beginner players, so just literally drop the ball and hit it, okay? Keep it as simple as that, all right? So let's hit a couple. Okay, notice open racket strings, very small swing, and I'm connecting with the ball here out in front of me, not back here behind me. I'm not slapping at it, okay? I'm making a nice, easy swing, okay? So open strings, small backswing, small follow through, good footwork, all those things are gonna help you guys out. Let's quickly do a little drill you guys can do. It's gonna be the same drill for all 3 of these lessons. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3 on the forehand and the backhand for the beginner stuff. Get a bucket, get stick another ball out there, stick a rock on the court. I don't care what you use, but put something out there for a target and aim for that. It's really as simple as that. Just give yourself a target to hit. And the goal, okay, the goal in this particular drill, and in our beginning forehands, backhands, level 1, 2, 3, the goal is to get the ball 6 or 7 out of 10 times to land maybe within 5 or 6 feet of the bucket. I'm not talking about hitting the bucket or going into the bucket. So don't worry about hitting the bucket or the target or whatever you set up over there. Just worry about getting within 5 or 6 feet, and you'll know, right? You'll know if you can control that ball. If you're wildly, spraying balls that are going off the fence, that's not it, right? So make sure you guys use that target, set yourselves up for some success by keeping that backswing small and that follow through just a little punch at this point. Okay, so let's hit a couple. Notice, well, let's hit a couple first. That was actually pretty close. Notice I'm keeping it really, really small, you guys. I'm getting a turn. I'm not doing this stuff. The other big thing I'm not doing is I'm not taking a big backswing and then trying to stop. I see a lot of players do that. You get a pro that teaches you got to have this big backswing, but then to control the pace, it's not going to work. So keep the backswing really, really small, okay? Let's try it again. Pretty close. Notice my head stays down. I'm watching that ball. Okay, I'm down. Oh, that one actually went in. Okay, but here's the thing. What do you notice? The other thing is that if the ball's down here, I don't, right? I bend down to that ball, right? So the ball's here. I actually hit it again. Okay, but I'm moving my body up and down, not just left and right, but also up and down to where that ball is. So use that when you guys are doing this drill, when you guys are out there rallying, okay? Once you guys are getting 6 or 7 out of 10 that are pretty well within the general area around that bucket, 5 or 6 feet around that bucket, once you're feeling comfortable with that, go ahead and move on to lesson 2.